It's only about a mile and a half, 2 miles from the car, and some of the parts of Annalong Wood can be used quite a lot by campers, and unfortunately could be left in a bit of a mess. But where we are going shouldn't be too bad. You know, it's only down here, so we're following the track here, and then follow the forest, the edge of the forest down to the river. We've got Sleeve Lomaghan. It's going to be in the way of the northerly view, so I don't think we'll see too much of it. And it's going to be a full moon tomorrow, so tonight's moon's very full, so it'll be quite light. Not too much of it.
Do you have any like giant speakers and some lots of cocktails? Full moon party, yes.
Yeah. I've got a wee speaker, but I don't know how loud it'll get.
Wow. Yo. Back to the Mournes again, guys. Don't get too excited because we're not going up high today. We're going low. It's gonna be low key again. I think I set myself aim to be expose myself in the unforgivable conditions, weather conditions. But yes, again, I'm excited to be somewhere in the woods. As I said, Andy's here with me, and yeah, we're gonna be. Yeah, he's my expert, and he knows all the jungle, all the foods, and he knows all the best places. So I'm just following him, and he's gonna lead us to amazing and outstanding night. The best thing about the Mournes mountain is it's kind of beautiful, like massive area, but the mountains, which is not on the sides that we are filming right now. I'm filming right now, but everywhere on top of the mountains there seems like no trees, because you can see lots of rocks and grass and guys, ladies and gentlemen, we are almost in the deep dark woods. I saw that campsite, and that campsite looked almost good. I haven't got a chair with me, but I saw that chair, might as well have a look at it. If it's nice, I'll take it. It's burned. Yeah, but it's burned. It doesn't look great. Terrible condition. But oh man, they try to hide. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. That is absolutely insane. Just left everything here. Oh man. So the whole thing is we're gonna be come somewhere on earth.
Somewhere on earth.
Yes. So that's the only cool way to tell you all. Otherwise, I don't know. But yeah, somewhere on earth tonight, so that'd be great. But yeah, as long as we're heading low, I can see the midges started to wake up right now. Some of them are yawning, I can tell. I can see too. It's been hibernated for a long time, and now it's time for them to have a bit of a human barbecue, some sort of stuff. And it's still 11 degrees at the moment, but it's feel warm here. So that's something good. No cold. Yeah, so we're heading down there. Let's see. The expert gonna show me around. So one thing that you got to know about the Mournes is, you see this textures of the grass. So layers after layers. I don't know, from the rock beds all the way to the top. This can be stated to years, and the grass has been growing and dying, growing and dies and growing and dies, and this becomes like some sort of bark texture, some sort of stuff. Behind me, guys, look at this. Wow, this is amazing waterfall. Look at this. The river stream all the way down to the bottom. And those are the places that where we're going. And people try to build the rocks here. Obviously it works and somehow, but since the water has been streaming all year round. Some of them even crack, actually, look. Yeah. And this is the path we're going. So, and now there's water led into this forest. These mountains are famous for hikers. Hey guys, we're here somewhere on Earth, and we just found a really alright place. I mean, lots of tree and branches around, but there's campsites already been there, and you can see the top. It's already opened. Fire in there. Someone tried to open fire, makes an open fire there as well. And what is this? Somebody just left a tarp, big one over here. Why are you doing that? Oh my goodness. What did they put in there? Let me open it. What? What is this? What is that? Is that all unopened? Cools? Oh my goodness.
Did you not know beer grows in Ireland?
Really?
Oh yeah, beer grows just out of the ground. Just appears.
Wow!
Yeah.
Free beer!
Mournes as well. This is the American variety.
Oh my goodness, look at this one. Wow, free beer in the woods. Oh my goodness, I have to say thank you all these trees. Cheers.
Cheers.
So that's the campsites there, guys, and this is our home for the night. So where am I going to pitch? I don't know, because you need to find out where on earth the wind is coming from, which direction, and anyways have to find somewhere. Also have to comply with the wind and the direction of the winds as well. To do that, I don't have a professional technique or anything. I only have the grass and throw in the air and figure out where the winds blow. Okay, so I'll throw it here, come from this way, and I'm gonna go this one and this one. The rain is coming shortly. I have to get myself warm first. So this is our bonfire, this is our campsites. We got this beautiful bonfire ready, and we had our dinner, and I still have a bit of our dinner left. Grilled chicken. But yeah, guys, lovely, beautiful. And it's 10 o'clock at the moment. It's a little bit rainy, but the fire keeps us warm, and yeah, we're just gonna chill near the fire, and got massive log. If you want to burn, it's there. Otherwise, just leave it the way it is. but it's raining. But don't know. Doesn't seem like lots of winds and stuff tonight. Mostly just the drips of rain, and the trees are pretty still. But as you know, you can't predict the weather here, so might be okay now, and you get a bit excited, and in the morning will become another disaster. So I'm not sure, but if it stays like this all night, it would be great. Only just challenging the cold, really. But yeah, at the moment we just enjoy our campfire, and yeah, the bed's are ready, the campfire is on, the music is on, few drinks, nice food.
Very nice food.
Very nice. Approved by my YouTube film star. And, yeah, it's nice, guys. So it's nice to have a bit of relaxing nights. No wind and a bit of rain. Campfire in the woods, somewhere on earth. My friends, guess what? After I finished the video and we chilled there for about half an hour, here came the rain all day and all night, all the way until the morning.
The more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Hey, good morning. Just want to let you know I am survived from last night, and yeah, it's been absolutely amazing. No wind, no rain, a bit cloudy. It was okay until like until 10:30, and then suddenly it's like it was raining all night. But we enjoy having a bit of fire at the campsite, and yeah, we managed to cook chicken and duck and some rice, and then yeah, chilling next to the fire for maybe about until 10:30, and when the rain comes, the rain continues until there actually. And you can see that place where the lock is. It's a river stream. so imagine like if you have a tent pitched there. That was big rain like last night, and then you end up sleeping next to the river stream or in the river stream.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing certain.
Besides that, I feel a bit cozy and warm. Guys, yes. I don't think I want to do any filming for now because, you know, it's going to be wet anyway. So I'm going to chill in the tent for a little while. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to help me to get 1,000 subscribers by the summer this year. So I appreciate your times, and if you watch this video until now, you are a star and you are my favorite audience. So thank you.
find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
They're gonna make our way. So I'll see you in the next video.